How to make map bigger in Minecraft. So first, let's make the map itself first. So what you'll need is a crafting table. Place your crafting table right there. Put the compass on the middle and get your paper and spread it around the compass just like so. After that, you'll get this empty map right here. As you can see, I have now the map. I'm gonna use it right here. You can just basically turn your camera down. So just right click on it to basically activate the map right here. So it'll become this map, and just look down to see the map right there. So to make the map bigger, what you can do is get your crafting table, place it on the ground. Now get a paper and just do this formation around the crafting table, then get your map, and you could basically do this up to 4 times. Put the map again and put the map again. And as you can see, you now have the map right here, which is much larger compared to earlier. Now, once that's done, what you can do as a second option is to make a cartography table, which uses less resources. And to do that, what you can do is just simply open up your crafting table, put 4 oak planks, then put the paper right here, 12, 12, then you'll get the cartography table. As you can see, just place it right there. So for the cartography table, when you open it up, when you put your map right there, you will only need one piece of paper to basically enlarge the map. So as you can see, if we do it again, put one paper to just basically enlarge the map right there. So it uses way less resources compared to when you use it on the crafting table. And that's how I basically make a map bigger in Minecraft.